I spent years telling people how to cover their skin, how to hide every flaw, every line, every mark, until you're left with a perfect plastic looking mask. But I don't believe in that anymore. So this is Patrick Ta Cream Foundation Finishing Powder Duo. And no, it's not sponsored. And honestly, it will change how you think about foundation, because it's not about creating a new face. It's about enhancing the one that you already have. Now, the cream is buildable and breathable, and it melts into your skin and it doesn't sit on top of it. It's the kind of coverage that make people say, your skin looks amazing, not your foundation looks amazing. And the finishing powder is nice. It sets everything and it diffuses light, softening the look of pores without making you look dry or cakey. Now, would I prefer more foundation and less finishing powder? Absolutely. There are far better ones on the market, but beggars can't be choosers. This just looks like your skin, but on its best day. And like I said, I've tried hundreds of foundations during my career and most end up in a drawer. This one lives in my kit because skin isn't something that you should hide. It's something that you should celebrate. Thank you for your time. Subscribe because I need the validation and the caffeine, but mostly the validation.